So children, it's time for an experiment now. So children, through this experiment we are going to observe why don't camels sink into the sand. So you are also going to conduct this experiment at your own place and you are going to record your observations for the same. Children, you might have noticed that when we walk on the sand, after first step we find it quite difficult to walk further. So how come camels who are having a lot of baggage on their back, they walk so properly in the sand? How is that possible? So we are going to see this through an experiment. So for today's experiment I have taken sand. Children, this is quite moist. I would advise you to take dry sand. Okay, an open vessel like this, and I have filled this vessel with sand. I have taken 4 identical bottles and I have secured them together with the help of this tape. So we are going to perform this experiment in 2 parts. So for the first part, I am just going to invert this bottle into the sand. What did you notice? Now I am going to put some weight over it. I am putting some more weight over it. What's happening, children? This you'll be telling me by performing your own experiment at your home. Okay, children, I'm not going to answer you this. So for the next part of the experiment, I'm just going to invert the bottles. Now I have inverted the bottles like this, as you can see. Now I'm going to put some weight over these bottles, as you can see. So now I have put more weight on this bottle when it's in the opposite position. Now what has happened? Can you see any change? So children, try this experiment at your own place and you are going to answer me in which setup the bottle sink further. That is the first thing. Why do you think this happened? Third, how is this related to camel's feet? Do perform this experiment and write down your observations for the same. That's all for today. Have a nice day, children. Thank you.